Welcome back everyone to my replay series for different trades BBK Gang is taking. I haven't posted any video in a while because I was in vacation, but now finally I am back and I actually have executed one of my best reversal trades in a while because this trade offered me a 15 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So I decided I would make a replay video on it because I didn't actually see an A+ reversal setup in a long time. BABA popped up on our free trading terminal scanner, so I decided to open it and I checked the daily chart, and the first thing I noticed on the daily chart is that first of all it gapped down, and after the gap down it continued selling off. It sold off so much. The average to range on BABA is $3.50 and it sold off around $5.5, which is way bigger than the average true range. It also sold off into a key level or area on the daily chart. You can see that on the second screenshot on the 60-minute chart. Because once this thing popped up in the scanner, once I saw how much it sold off, and it also sold off against the dominant trend, which is an uptrend on the daily chart, I decided to look for a potential area, an area or a zone where the stock might stop selling off and start reversing or bouncing back. And you could see how clear this level was. There were multiple rejection areas, so I decided to watch it closely, and I decided to watch the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart to time my entry. Let's go to trading terminal replay feature and see how exactly I played this strategy, where I got my entry, and what are the potential target levels. So this is the daily chart on BABA, and you could see that we kind of broke this area around here. So we're breaking the area, we are in an uptrend, and for some reason on 2nd of August it gapped down. Not only that, after the gap down it also sells off, and the sell off goes closer to a key level. There is approximately an area around here, and it was touched around here, and it's actually close to this area. And you could see also that there was a zone around here. It's not exactly a level, but there were a couple rejections around here and there. That showed me that this level is enough accurate, but I needed to be a little bit more specific, so I'm switching to the 60-minute chart. And on the 60-minute chart you could see this. We have rejected the level around here, we have rejected around here. You could actually go even a little bit higher, and you could see that there is a rejection around here and here and here and here. That's actually a strong level, and we're selling off into this level straight without any pullback. So anyone who is shorting the stock around here on BABA would definitely be locking in some profits around here. And once they start buying, the price could start pulling back or maybe reverse. Notice how BABA broke the level. Does that mean that it's going to continue selling off? It doesn't necessarily mean that. Remember that levels are zones or areas. It doesn't mean that the price is going to literally touch the level and bounce. It could get closer to it, it could touch it, it could pierce it, but you need to still pay close attention to what is happening around the level. I could see that it's been 3 minutes after the 5-minute candle opened. The 5-minute candle is about to close, and it is about to close as an indecision candle, a doji or a hammer. Not yet. At this stage it is still selling off, it is still going to the downside. It looks like a reverse hammer, but I want to pay close attention to it and see how it's going to close. Few more seconds before the candle closes. It looks like an indecision candle. That's amazing, because an indecision candle at the low of the trend actually indicates strength. So I see that 20 seconds left before the 5-minute candle closes, and it is most probably going to close as a reversal candle. That's why I'm switching then to the 1-minute chart. The 1-minute chart is the time frame that I'm looking for an entry on, and I could see that the 5-minute candle closed as a reversal candle, and I could see that we're holding this bottom. There is a reverse hammer, we're trying to sell off. Another reverse hammer, we're trying to sell off. But instead, we get bought back up, we're making a higher low, we're closing as a green candle, and I'm taking it to the long side literally on the next candle. I did not take it to the long side because I'm playing the 1-minute chart. I took it to the long side because first of all, the daily chart was supportive and there was a clear level. 60-minute chart showed me a strong zone. I can see that the price is stalling and it's holding around the level. The 5-minute chart closes as a hammer or a confirmation candle. All I have to do then is just jump into the position and try to find out where I could put my target. I use the 15-minute chart to determine my target, and I usually go for a first target of the 9 moving average on the 15-minute chart, which was also a potential level of support that could act as a resistance, and most probably, not necessarily, but most probably the stock could reach it, bounce out of it, and continue the trend. So it definitely might want to lock in some profit once we approach this area. Now that we're getting closer to this area, we could start taking partials, because like I told you, levels are not exact prices. It doesn't mean that the price is going to touch the level. It could just simply get closer and start reversing. So you want to be careful about it, and you might want to start locking in some profits just in case. So that's basically it, guys. This is the way I execute the trade. I kept some of my position running for a bigger reversal or bigger profit target, and I locked in something at higher levels. It then comes to your individual risk management system. I hope you enjoyed this video, but to recap, to play a reversal, you want something that was selling off or getting bought back up with straight without any single pullback into a key level. Once you found that key level, you might want to switch to smaller time frames and look for rejection of this level. You want to make sure that the level is holding. Increasing volume, which unfortunately we did not have on BABA, is a key signal for a reversal. Make sure that when you're playing this reversal that you can get a good amount of risk to reward ratio. Reversals are risky setups. The win rate on them is really low, so you need to make sure that when you get into a winning one, you milk the most out of it. And obviously, before you start trading in your live account, make sure to practice your trading in the simulator. We offer a free replay feature in tradingterminal.com. Make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and write down any comments if you have any questions.